Okay, to start off, we're going to do most of the graphics right away. So we have this folder already in a project, so you'll need a couple of button images for this project, and then I have a background too. So I'm going to go ahead and put that background in first. I'm going to click on my media library. You'll see that down at the bottom I have like a grid. I can just bring that over, drop that on there. Now I got a grid on there. I can also go ahead and go to my objects, and I'm going to go down to the lower right, type in button. I want to choose the top button. I'm going to go to my properties of that button. So I have a round rect. I want to do a custom. I don't want it to say button at all. I want to take the image and make it a class button.png. And I also want to go to my ruler. I want it to be a square. So right now it's 73. I'm going to go 75. You're going to use whatever artwork you have. So I got a square. So I got a good button. Copy and paste, so Command C, Command V, Command V, Command V. Come on. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and kind of move these out. So I'm doing an exact ripoff of Astah. Probably not a good idea, but you'll get an idea of how to actually use this kind of functionality. I'm going to go ahead and do my properties, change that from class to a comments. Change that from class to an interface, and finally the text. Alright, okay, so now that I got my buttons all on here, and you put all the buttons, you don't have to worry about where you place them because we're going to hide them in a little bit. So I need to go to my assistant editor at the top here, it's the little tuxedo guy. I'm going to go ahead and control click on each of these buttons and give it an outlet. For your program, if you want it to actually work, you'd have to give them each an action and an outlet. The outlet will allow you to move it around. The action will fire when the user actually clicks on the button. So right now we're just going to make them kind of dummy buttons. So outlet, interface, a button. And I'm going to go ahead and connect that. I'm going to go ahead and control drag this. Outlet, that'll be the comments button. Control drag from this one, the class button. Control drag from this one, the text button. And then once I have that, I'm going to go back to single view. And I'm going to go down and make all these views hidden. So go ahead and choose hidden, 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 hidden. And alright, we're all set up for the next part.